Okay, so Perplexity has released this trailer on its X account, and I don't know whether this is a trailer from a movie or maybe a trailer that Perplexity had made themselves. I don't know, but one thing for sure is that this is supposedly going to be a teaser for a product or maybe a feature that Perplexity is going to launch on March 17, 2025. Now, there is not much known about this trailer, and I don't think this is coming from a movie. I think Perplexity just, asked some agency to create this trailer. And I do think that this trailer is a teaser to the Comet browser. So in case you didn't know, just about a month ago, Perplexity announced something called Comet. This browser will be powered by AI, and there's going to be AI agent in the browser, which I think is pretty cool because AI agent, the goal of AI agent is it can do tasks on your behalf. So you can ask AI agent to maybe book a flight for you. You can ask it to order something, and you can even ask it to do some of your work. So that's the premise of AI agent, which is very different than traditional AI. Traditional AI is very good. You can use it to do some research and it will definitely save your time. But AI agent is much, much deeper. It is literally going to act like a human. And I think that's amazing, but also scary at the same time. But regardless, one thing for sure is that I'm pretty sure that this is a reference to the Comet browser. And I'm not the only one thinking about that. There are many people believe that this is basically a teaser for the Comet browser. And of course, this trailer gives the vibe like the Matrix movie. And I'm not the only one having that opinion. There is actually someone here posting a scene from the Matrix movie. And there is a good reason to believe that this is a reference to the Matrix movie. So first of all, if you actually look at the scene, it is mostly dominated by the green color, especially on this section. It is green, and this type of green is very common in the Matrix movie. So if you go to Google and then search for the Matrix movie scene, you will see that it is basically green. It's green everywhere. So when Neo, the main character, is in the Matrix, everything is green. And you know what else that is prominent in the Matrix movie? Agent. So Agent Smith, of course, quite famous. And I think that's a one way to connect the dots. So Agent in the Matrix movie, and then the trailer shows the same vibe like the Matrix movie. And there is also another thing that I think will support my theory here. So if you play the trailer here, there's going to be audio. There is someone greeting the character here. I'm going to play this trailer with some audio. Okay.
Hello, Li Zhongzhe.
Okay, I'm going to repeat that again.
Hello, Li Zhongzhe.
So initially I thought it was someone speaking in Korea, but I think it wasn't. I think she was speaking in English. She just says hello and then followed by the name of this character. I think the name was Lee Jang-jae. I forgot what was his name. See, this is his name, Lee Jong-jae. I'm going to play the audio again, so you will see that it is actually just greeting this character.
Hello, Li Zhongzhe.
You see? So that's of course just a simple greeting. But you know what? Even that greeting is in the Matrix movie. I'm going to play this segment from the movie, from the scene of the Matrix movie, and you'll see that's exactly the same wording from the movie. Let me reduce the volume a bit and let me play it.
Hello, Neo.
Exactly. So that's the same greeting that the character just received from this person. And yeah, I would say it is safe to say it is definitely a reference to the Matrix movie. So I believe that this is going to be the teaser for the Comet browser. I could be wrong, but that's my theory. Now, we don't know much about what the Comet browser is going to look like, but if I'm allowed to speculate, I think it's going to look something like this. This is just my Photoshop creation, and I believe the browser is going to be powered by the Chromium technology, which is the same technology that is used by Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and pretty much every new browser these days, they're just based on Google Chrome. So, it looks very similar to Google Chrome, but they're going to have this interface on the left side. There's going to be the chatbot window where you can interact with AI agent, and then here where you can see everything that AI see, and of course this is going to be the place where AI agent can interact with the web page. And I think this is quite a standard interface for AI agents. Every AI agent platform that I use always go with this kind of interface. So I think Perplexity will go with the design that is familiar, so people don't have to relearn everything from scratch. And yeah, this is just my speculation, but yeah, I just believe that this is going to be the release of the Comet browser. So what do you think about that? And do you have any other speculation, or maybe this is just a teaser for upcoming features that has nothing to do with the Comet browser? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. And also, I'm recording this video just a few hours before the launch of Perplexity, or basically before the launch of this supposedly product or feature. So yeah, I guess we are going to see. We're going to wait and see whether or not my theory can hold up. But anyway, if you want to see more tutorials or more videos about Perplexity, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, because I will definitely make more video that is related to Perplexity and other exciting AIs in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.